Cloud deployment models. Cloud deployment models define how applications are deployed and managed within a cloud infrastructure. These models offer different levels of control, flexibility, and security to suit various organizational needs. Understanding deployment models is essential for choosing the right cloud solution for your business. Each model offers unique advantages and disadvantages, impacting factors like cost, scalability, and security. Let's talk about public cloud firstly. Shared resources, global reach, and scalability and flexibility are characteristics of public cloud. Public cloud providers own and maintain the infrastructure. Users lease computing resources like servers, storage, and networking on demand. This is a cost-effective option for businesses of all sizes as they only pay for what they use. Public cloud platforms offer global data centers, providing high availability and low latency for users worldwide. This is beneficial for businesses with a global customer base or those requiring a high degree of redundancy. Public clouds offer the ability to scale resources up or down quickly based on demand. This is crucial for businesses experiencing rapid growth or seasonal fluctuations. Users can adjust their computing resources as needed without the upfront investment in physical infrastructure. Private cloud. A private cloud is a cloud computing environment that is dedicated to a single organization. It is typically hosted on the organization's own infrastructure, but it can also be hosted by a third-party provider. Private clouds offer a number of advantages over public clouds, including increased security, control, and customization. However, they can also be more expensive and require more technical expertise to manage. How about we benefit from the advantages of both private and public cloud? So we reach to hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud combines the best aspects of public and private clouds. It allows businesses to leverage the scalability and flexibility of public cloud services while maintaining the security and control of on-premises infrastructure. This approach provides organizations with the flexibility to deploy applications and workloads where they are most suited. These are the characteristics of hybrid cloud: balancing flexibility and control. Hybrid cloud deployments often use public cloud for less sensitive workloads such as development and testing. More sensitive applications and data are often hosted on private cloud infrastructure, ensuring compliance and data security. About scalability and cost optimization, hybrid cloud enables businesses to scale their resources on demand to meet fluctuating demands. Businesses can leverage public cloud resources during peak periods and rely on private cloud for consistent control operations. Hybrid cloud allows businesses to gradually migrate legacy applications to the cloud, avoiding large-scale disruptions. This phased approach allows companies to modernize their infrastructure and leverage cloud benefits without jeopardizing critical operations. But what are advantages of public cloud? It is cost-effective. Public cloud providers handle infrastructure maintenance, eliminating the need for capital and hardware and software. This reduces upfront costs and allows business to pay for resources as needed, making it an attractive option for startups or companies with fluctuation in their workloads. It also has good scalability and flexibility. So it offers on-demand access to a wide range of resources. So business can scale up or down quickly to meet changing demands. It's like a flexibility, and it lets the organization adapt to market fluctuations, and also can get the opportunities without being constrained by physical infrastructure limitation. It's very important. Also, public cloud platform provides access to cutting-edge technologies, enabling businesses to adopt new solutions and accelerate development cycles. This fosters innovation and enables companies to stay competitive in rapidly evolving markets. And you can see it's very important in the rapid changing, ever-changing field of technology. Yes, public cloud has some advantages, but it comes with disadvantages. One of important disadvantages is security concerns. Public cloud environments are shared by multiple tenants. This means that there is a potential for security breaches to affect multiple customers. It's important to choose a reputable cloud provider with strong security measures in place. Data encryption, access control, and regular security audits are crucial. The other disadvantage of public cloud is vendor lock-in. Switching cloud providers can be challenging, especially if your applications are tightly integrated with a specific platform. This can lead to vendor lock-in, making it difficult to move your data and application to a different provider. Evaluate your long-term needs and choose a provider that allows for flexibility and portability. Now let's talk about advantages of private cloud. In contrast with public cloud, private cloud can enhance security because it offers increased control over security measures. Businesses can customize security policies, manage access, and implement specialized security tools to protect sensitive data. This level of control helps to mitigate risks and maintain regulatory compliance. Also, private cloud can improve performance, and dedicated resources and network isolation contribute to this improvement. Organizations can fine-tune the cloud infrastructure for their specific workload demands. This lead to faster processing time, reduced latency, and optimized application performance. You can imagine that a private cloud can provide greater flexibility in terms of customization. Businesses can tailor the infrastructure to meet their specific requirements, integrating with existing systems and adopting their preferred technologies. But at the same time, somehow it had lack of flexibility. It suffers lack of flexibility, I mean, because they are more rigid and less flexible compared to public clouds. They are often tailored to specific workloads and applications, making it difficult to adapt to new requirements or adopt emerging technologies. Now, let's have a look at the benefits of hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud offers the best of both worlds. As I said, you can leverage the scalability of public cloud for peak workloads while maintaining the security and control of a private cloud for sensitive data. So you can optimize resources and costs adapting to your changing needs. Also, it can optimize the cost. If you choose strategically the right cloud environment for each workload, you can optimize costs. You can run cost-sensitive workload in the public cloud and keep sensitive data in the private cloud, minimizing overall expenses. And it can enhance security because allow you to utilize advanced security features of both public and private clouds. You can protect sensitive data while storing it in the private cloud and leverage the public cloud for non-sensitive workload, enhancing overall security, as I said. There are some challenges for hybrid cloud management complexity and some security concerns. In a hybrid model, you need to manage both on-premises and cloud infrastructure. This requires expertise in different technologies and platforms. Managing the integration and communication between these two environments can be complex, requiring skilled IT professionals and robust orchestration tools. And security in hybrid cloud environments is sometimes, yeah, it's very good. You can optimize that, but it is complex because you know, if you want to work just on private or just public, it's better. It's simpler than a hybrid when it comes to security. And data and workloads move across different environments, require a comprehensive approach to security that includes both on-premises and cloud security practices. This poses challenges in maintaining consistency and visibility across the entire hybrid cloud landscape. So again, you can provide better security in a hybrid. You know, you can take advantage of both advantages of both public and private, but you know, you need some expertise, is a little complex. When you want to choose a deployment for the model for your organization or company, you need to consider some factors because selecting the right cloud deployment model is critical for any organization, and it determines the level of control, flexibility, and cost associated with your cloud infrastructure. You need to make decisions based on several factors, including workload requirements, security and compliance needs, and budget constraints, and also the amount of scalability and flexibility you need. Let's see. First one, workload requirement. Consider the specific requirements of your application. Some workloads may be more suitable for public clouds due to their scalability and cost effectiveness, while others might demand the security and control of a private cloud. So consider the workload requirement, your application. The second factor is level of security and compliance capabilities. So the chosen model should align with your organization regulatory requirements and policies, security policies. Is important to consider this. And also, if you are thinking about the scalability, public cloud can be better choice because your business can easily adapt to changing needs, right? But if you are thinking about the customization and control over its infrastructure, the private cloud option is better for your organization. And the last factor is cost, because it differs significantly for each deployment. In public cloud is based on pay as you go. The pricing is based on pay as you go, while private clouds involve upfront investment in infrastructure. This slide again is focused on the workload requirements. That is a factor you need to consider when choose the model. For example, a web application with high traffic and complex processing may require the scalability and performance of a public cloud. In contrast, a sensitive database with strict security requirements might benefit from the control and customization of a private cloud. So again, please consider specific applications, databases, and services you plan to run. Analyze their resource demands, including CPU, memory, storage, and network bandwidth. This analysis will help you determine the appropriate level of resources and the deployment model that can accommodate your workload's requirements. Again, the other factor you need to consider is scalability, and it's the ability of a cloud deployment model to easily expand its resources based on changing demands. There are some businesses really that sometimes experience rapid growth, and they have very changes in their workload, maybe have peak and down and up. So you need maybe using a public cloud is better for you, because you can adjust, resource allocation and adding, remover, server, storage, network bandwidth, and this stuff. It's very hard in a private cloud model. And it's the best choice is public cloud, because everything is ready to use, pre-configured resources, readily scaled up or down. But private clouds, however, can create greater control, but really need more manual effort for scaling. As I said before, another choice that you can have is a hybrid cloud. So again, think about the scalability you need and then choose the model. And the last factor, cost, is really a very major factor. Here you can see the public cloud is pay as you go, and its upfront cost is low. Private cloud is, you need some investment in upfront, and the expense is higher. In the hybrid, you combine both of them, so it needs careful cost management. So if the cost is important for you, you can go with the public, but the concern is just security, and you need to go very, very reputable and popular cloud provider. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope now you have good understanding of different deployment models and understanding the differences, advantages and disadvantages, and the factors you need to consider when you want to choose a proper model for your organization.